Oh, hey guys. Today we're gonna be doing Guitar Center. I'm really happy, you guys. So yeah, and I'm gonna go inside there and see what kind of guitars they have, and I'll give you like options. What should I get? And I'll put the link in the description what I got. And who knows? I'll probably get the guitar that you liked. Who knows, you guys? Anyways, guys, let's go inside. Shabosh!
Yeah.
Dude. Remember, guys, look left and right when you go on the road. Guitar Center. Anyways, let's go inside, y'all. No more talking. Let's go inside. After you, amigo. Okay, whatever you say. Isn't she a beauty? Okay, guys, these are the options. Yeah, these are like bass guitars, you guys. So let's see the other ones that fit me. Okay, these are the mini ones, you guys. So this is the option one, you guys. Option, let's look down here. So I think I'm looking for a red, black. Yeah, red, black, let's say green. Yeah, anyways, let's go. Let's see the bottom ones, you guys. Just look at the top, man. Anyways. Oh yeah, this is the second option, okay? Yes. I think everyone's gonna choose that one. Let's see. This is so cute. Yeah, this one's so cute. Yes, it's just like lime. Yes. This is option 3, you guys. Oh, that's cute. And that's option, what's it called? 3. Option 3. Yeah. We'll just see like just everything, but not everything, just like some things. Yeah. Anyways, oh, this is like a renegade kind of thing. Yeah. This is option 4, you guys. This is really nice. Yeah, I like the orange and the red right there, man. Yeah, man. This is okay, guys. This is so rock and roll, man. Gnarly, dude. I found Bumblebee. You guys. I found Bumblebee from Transformers. I should call it Transformer Guitar. Anyways, let's move on, you guys. Guys, it's retail heaven. Why is the music vibing with this? Why is the music vibing with this, you guys? Tell me why. Why? Look at this. Oh, it has a little slide on here too. It has like a thing right there. This is option 5, you guys. I think everyone's gonna choose that or something else. Ooh, how about there's one over there. The one up there. The blue, the dark blue. Yeah, the blue. That's nice. That's a cool one. That's option 6. Okay, let's see other stuff. Oh, look, you guys. Oh, this is like a. Oh, it even has a little thing, you guys. I think some people are gonna like this one. Look, guys, this is just a beauty. Isn't she a beauty? She's a beauty. She's a nice one. Oh, let's play it. Oh, look at that dark blue. Look at that dark blue, you guys. Oh, this is cute. This is cute, you guys. Yeah, I like this one. This is cute, yes. Guys, this is so cute. If you like it, comment in this description. This is like a cute, guys. Just look at this. It's just like retail heaven, you guys. Anyways, you should probably go to the Guitar Center if you like drums, pianos, whatever you like here. This is at here, right? This is the place where every instrument is named. You could go to lessons and Guitar Center stuff and all of that. I only know lessons are at. What? Oh.
Too much boxes.
How many boxes do we have?
Yeah, the box
Inside that box, you got another box.
What? There's no. It's an ending loop. It's never ending loop.
They put them in multiple boxes to protect the guitar, so that there's a chance that when they're shipping it, damage.
Oh.
There, you have the guitar.
You want to hear the sound too? You want to check it out, test it out?
Sure.
Yeah, so okay. Tuner turns on right here.
Ew. Oh.
Go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's nice to meet you. I'm gonna play rock and roll, you guys. Let's hear it, man. Oh, wait. Yeah, man. No, I didn't. What else could I play? Oh, I know how to play. If you guys know, it's called Jammin'. I'm gonna play for you right now. Okay, now we're gonna play. If you guys know Three Little Birds, we're gonna play, y'all. What's it? So it's A. Oh wait, now I'm thinking about jamming again, guys. It was like. I was like, don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. This is a beauty, guys. This is what's it called? Option. Well, you've seen most of the stuff, so I'll say 7, I guess. If I'm saying it wrong, guys, just say it in the comments, alright? Because I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah. Is she a beauty, guys? She is.